I'm Craig Sommers, naturopathic doctor and nutritionist. When it comes to medicinal plant food, turmeric is amongst those on the top of the list. Its many uses are so incredible that if I didn't see the science, I would find it hard to believe.
Turmeric contains a group of compounds known as curcuminoids. The most talked about and best studied compound is called curcumin, which makes up about 3% of powdered turmeric. There are many other important compounds found in this plant, including the essential oils. The nutritional properties of turmeric are quite impressive. It contains appreciable amounts of vitamin B6, niacin, vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium, iron, manganese, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. It also contains calcium, magnesium, and many other nutrients. Around the planet, some of the oldest cultures have used turmeric as a food and a medicine since ancient times. In Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine, it has been used for its anti-microbial, anti-inflammatory, and anti-flatulence properties, just to name a few. Let's explore the science behind this incredible plant. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory in the human body. It has been shown to reduce C-reactive protein, which is a marker for inflammation measured in the blood and a known risk factor for heart attack and stroke. Numerous medical studies show that turmeric works in several ways to prevent Alzheimer's disease. The researchers believe that turmeric and its extract curcumin may offer a safe and more effective treatment for Alzheimer's, which is the most common cause of dementia. In 2011, the Journal of Periodontal Research published an article concluding that the potent anti-inflammatory effects of curcumin help with periodontal disease. Turmeric has very potent antioxidant properties. Its antioxidant strength has been measured and found to be amongst the highest of all herbs and spices on the ORAC scale. Among the many different antioxidant compounds that this amazing plant contains is resveratrol, which is one of the most celebrated antioxidants of the decade. In 2009, a peer-reviewed medical journal called the Journal of Anti-Microbial Chemotherapy published an article concluding that curcumin is an antifungal of clinical interest. According to numerous clinical studies, consumption of curcumin or turmeric can suppress several stages of cancer development and many different types of cancer. Turmeric has been shown to be very beneficial for the aggressive type of skin cancer known as melanoma. When turmeric comes in contact with the melanoma cells, they are more likely to undergo apoptosis, which is cancer cell death. Studies suggest that turmeric may be able to help prevent cancer as well.
According to statistics, the average person in India eats approximately 1 teaspoon of turmeric per day. I've been adding turmeric to my smoothies for over 10 years. Sometimes I use the powder, and other times I use a small piece of the fresh root. Many companies are adding turmeric to their products, such as mustard companies often add it to give their mustard a nice color. Turmeric, the elixir of life, is a wonderful juice, and Sun Warrior adds turmeric to their base of longevity herbs in their raw multivitamins. The list of disease conditions that turmeric may benefit is far more extensive than can fit into a short video. As time goes on, more and more studies continue to reveal the amazing properties of this plant.